Hi, beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button because you're full of positive energy. And today, since you're full of positive energy, today I'm going to show you how to wear your magnetic eyelashes for a girl like me who has very curly eyelashes. So it's hard for me to be putting them on, but I have a technique which can work for pretty much anyone who has curly lashes like me and for anyone in general. So stay tuned if you want to learn more. I was supposed to more that. Forgive me, but stay tuned if you want to learn more and let's get into the video. Yeah, my face is up close and personal, but yeah, we don't mind about that for now. So we're gonna use eyelashes, of course, magnetic eyelashes, and these are the ones I bought from Jumia. The packaging is kind of dirty because I've been using it for long, but excuse me for that. This is the packaging, this is how it looks. This is the back. It's kind of dirty, I feel bad. And these are the lashes. They come in 5 pairs. This is the eyelash glue we're going to use. It's magnetic. And these are the tweezers they came with. So it comes like this. The whole of this, and I bought them from Jumia. So you can go check them out in Jumia. The exact package. I think they're still there. So now I'm going to take you to a voice over because talking and doing at the same time is kind of hard. If you understand me. So yeah, let me take you to the voice over and let's start doing our lashes. So as you can see, my eyelashes are really curly and tiny. Oh god. So we're going to use the eyelash curler to uncurl my lashes. So normally we'd use them when they're upright. So for me, I'd use it when it's on the downward side because it will uncurl my lashes in that manner. So we're going to be really careful when you're placing the eyelash color on your eyes because that thing it's not like it's easy to use because sometimes you'll pinch yourself without even knowing. So you just have to be careful and take your time while doing it because it also takes a lot of effort to press down your eyelashes. Honestly, like I'm a living proof for it. Yeah, so we're going to do that until we get like the satisfying results we want. And you can see that there's some improvement there. My eyelashes will really take time to uncurl, so yeah, we have to be really patient. I bet you can see the difference between my left side and my right side. Yeah, when you continuously do that, sometime you'll get the results you want. Patience pays. This is the hardest thing about makeup. You have to be really patient, but we're up for the task. For now, we're going to, not for now, now we're going to pick our magnetic eyeliner. It has magnetic properties, so I'm really poor at applying eyeliner, I won't lie. So I'll apply my own things there. So long as you're not like doing any specific design or anything, so long as the eyelashes stick, sis, you're good to go. But don't be like too messy. Just clean up where you've messed up. So yeah, I'm really messy with eyeliner, so that's what I normally do as a basic person because of the ghetto. Anyway, yeah, that's what I did with my eyeliner. And so we're gonna wait for it to dry as we go ahead and do the next eyelash. It's also necessary for you to apply two coats of the magnetic eyeliner for extra hold or extra form, whichever you wanna use. after I was done with applying eyeliner and whatever I did with my eyelashes, of course I went and cleaned up my natural eyelashes because they were covered in glue. As I said, I'm very poor with eyeliner. So yeah, we'll do that and then we'll go in with some mascara just to make your lashes darker so that they rhyme with your magnetic lashes. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what you're gonna do. So I picked up the lashes that I wanted, and I'm not really a fan of using tweezers. I just use my hand, but since we're doing a tutorial, we'll use tweezers. So yeah, I tried. It's kind of hard, but I tried. So just placed it on my eyelid where I had applied the eyeliner, and just look, it sticks like immediately. Like you don't even have to put so much effort in this that you're pressing nothing. No, it just sticks immediately. Yeah, I'm sorry I had a cold. And that's what I did with my other eye. I did the same thing, but I used my fingers because tweezers are hard to use. I got a cold in the middle of the video, but yeah, that's simply it for doing your lashes. And actually, this is the best my lashes have ever been. Wow. I guess you may notice my other tutorial, but you know what? Continuous practicing makes things perfect, right? And if you have the right tools to do it. So I forgot to mention this eyelash color. I also bought it from Jumia. I think it was around 300 or something. I'm not sure. It's not that expensive on Jumia. I don't know, like the other places, but yeah, that's where I got it from. And I hope you learned a lot in this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video and me being poked in the eye with this thing. Anyways, I hope you had a lovely time. If you haven't subscribed, it's free, you can do it there. And stay tuned for more tutorials. You can suggest the ones you want me to do, the ones you don't want me to do, and I don't know what to do next. What should I do next? Really, you can comment. And yeah, have a nice time and bye. I love you all.